1. Ask your partner to lie down on the duvet. Place a pillow under their head and a pillow under their legs. Cover their body with 2 large, warm towels. It's best if your partner is naked or wearing just underwear, as you want to be able to massage them directly on their skin. 2. Kneel by your partner's upper back. Take some of your weight on your legs so you'll be able to reach your partner's back without straining yourself. 3. Rub massage oil between your hands. This will help to warm the oil up and release the scent of the oil. 4. Place your hands on your partner's back, over the towels, and ask them to take 3 deep breaths. Breathe with them and check to make sure they are feeling relaxed and comfortable. 5. Sweep your hands from the base of their back, on either side of their spine. Lightly rub your hands over their shoulders. Start with light pressure on their back and shoulders. 6. Massage the back and shoulders. Roll the towels down to expose your partner's upper and lower back and place one hand on top of the other and circle around their shoulder blades. Use the pads of your fingers to massage the tops of their shoulders, around the sides of their neck and up to the base of their skull. 7. Spread out your hands with a thumb either side of their spine. Starting at the base, run up to the top and gently back down their spine. Use your palms and run up and down their spine, gently increasing pressure every time you run up and down their spine, so that your hands suit the muscles on both sides of their back. 8. Apply Petrissage. Petrissage is a kneading massage technique that involves using your fingers and thumbs to lightly knead the skin around the back and shoulder muscles. Form a 70-degree angle with your hand and thumb and knead the tissue around their back and shoulders. 9. Fold the towels down to expose their hips and upper legs. Rub more massage oil on your hands. Use the palm of your hands to move up and down over their lower back, hips and buttock. The buttock is the site of a lot of stress and tension, as are the hips, so take your time and use Petrissage or long fluid strokes to release any knots or discomfort in these areas.